Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to print from your laptop or your PC. So this could be really easy or it might not work. So a lot of times I have difficulties with printers also, and it just takes some time to go ahead and fix it. So we want to go on down to the Windows Start button right here, and then go on over to Settings. Now, under here on the left side, there should be a bunch of different options, and we can go to Bluetooth and devices and just select this. And there should be an option on here to add a printer. So if we go up a little bit more and we look at this right here, we can see there's an option to add printers and scanners. Just choose this. Now, we should have our printer listed on here, or it might be popping up. We just need to go to Add Device. And here is my printer. It's Epson ET4800 series. A very good printer. I like this printer. Now let's just go to where it says Add Device. Select that, and you can see it's connecting. Now it could literally be just this easy. Our printer is turned on and is connected to the internet. My computer is turned on, it's connected to the internet, and they both find each other. So if you connect to the same Wi-Fi router, should be really easy. Now, if it's not installing any of the drivers, you're going to have to take this specific name and this series and then just go to the manufacturer's website and download it manually. But most of the time, it's just going to install it by itself, like you saw right now. So it looks like it's ready, and I should be able to just simply print now. So let's go back over to my document right here. Hopefully this works. Now, typically in the top left, you're going to see File, and then you can go on down, and there should be an option to simply print. We can go on over to Print right now, and then open this up. And here is the option to print. Now it says Microsoft Print to PDF. That's the name apparently. But I want to switch on over to my printer name on here. So the Epson something 4800. All right, it's connecting. Looks like the status is ready. And I got all these different pages on here. Let's just go on over to OK now and select OK. Looks like it's printing in progress. And I can go ahead and just check the other room and just see if it printed. And I hear it printing right now. So it looks like this is working. So it literally is that easy. Add the printer, switch over to your printer under print, and you should be good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.